Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Now to motivate me further to give more videos like this, kindly subscribe, share, comment and always keep the bell button so that all of you can get the new videos. Today I'm going to teach you how to use index and match. Now, this is one of the most important formula that is used in any of the industry, right? Why this is most of the important formula? Because this is one of the alternative of VLOOKUP, and VLOOKUP have some disadvantages. That VLOOKUP, whenever you are doing a VLOOKUP, all your data must be in the right hand side, right? But consider the case when you got a file like where you are having data in the left hand side. For example, I have a store name, and here in this file also I have a store name. But instead of state or area manager, which was previously uh, written in the right hand side, currently it is in the left hand side, not in the right hand side. So what we will do, if you write a VLOOKUP formula, you will not be able to do this, right? So for this, we are having index match formula. This is a very important formula and you should learn it, how to do this. So how to use index match formula? Write equal to, then write index, right? First is the array that particular, which particular column you want to retrieve. Here I want to retrieve state, right? So I will select this state. Okay, I'm using Alt and then the space bar to select the entire column. Okay, these are the shortcut keys that you need to learn, right? Okay, now then I will press comma and then I will write match. Okay, now match. Now we are having the formula same as VLOOKUP. So match what? Match store name, comma, then here also I have to select the store name, then comma 0. Okay. So in VLOOKUP we have learned 0 and the approximate match. Here also we can give 0 for the exact match. So I will close this. So here we have to give two brackets. One is for the match, another one is for the index. And then press enter. Now then what I will do, I will press this, then I will copy it to the rest of the cell. Okay. Again I am teaching you how to do this. I will write index first, then I'd like to retrieve area manager. So how I am toggling between two files? By pressing Alt tab. If I press Alt tab, I will toggle between two particular files. Okay. Now I will press Alt backspace to select the entire column. After this, I will press comma, then I will press match, and then I will toggle by pressing Alt tab. I will select the store name here, and then I will press comma, and then I will select the entire range of store name in the mapping file. Then comma 0 bracket close. Okay. So you can also copy this particular formula to other cell without using copy paste. You can also select this and press Ctrl T. Right. This is one of the advantage of index match. And here is another secret technique that we use in our industry that I will show you over here. What's happened, every time we do not have to write the index match formula. We will write in B and then we'll copy this in C and all my values will be copied. Now how we will do this? Let's learn. Okay. Now, equal to index, I will select this, then comma, match, select this and select the store name. Okay. Now in the next column I am having the area manager. So I will call this over here without writing the index match formula again from the beginning. What I will do? I will remove this freeze from here. Okay, I will remove this dollar sign from here and give a dollar sign in A. Okay, so my column will not move. My column will remain fixed. However, my row will be vary from one place to another place. So what I will do? I will simply copy this and paste this. Okay, see the area manager is over here. So I will copy both of them and I will paste. Now how I am doing this copy paste? You can see my previous videos also, and I have explained this over here also. Okay, so it's very important that you should learn this formula, practice this, so that whenever you get this kind of you know file where you are having a value either in the left hand side or in the right hand side, then you can basically apply this particular formula. So this is a very good alternative of VLOOKUP. Here you are having, suppose if you are having in this side also, if you are having in this side also, let's say if you are having 4-5 feet this side, you will be able to copy this at one go, right? I'm showing you how. So equal to index, I will select the first column, then I will select this, I will select the store name, then 0. Okay, equal to index, state name, comma, match the store name, comma, 0. Now I will remove the freeze over here and put a dollar sign over here. See, it's copied for all of them. Copy it, then Control V. Okay. So if you like this video, then share this video, press the bell icon, subscribe, and please comment. Thank you. Thank you very much.